All right, you all, I got a freebie that I think you all are gonna like. All right, with that being said, let's get started with this review. All right, you all, listen, this one is nice. I like this one. This one's gonna stand out on your wrist. This one is gonna be a nice weekend wear for a casual dress down where, yes, you can wear this during the work week if you choose to. Now, the name of the watch face is called Digital Unity, right? Now, this is a free watch face that looks absolutely awesome. I love the look of the analog hands. Of course, you can see it's got digital time, so you do get the best of both worlds. Even in the AOD mode, you'll be able to see your time and your info at a glance with no problem. Now, if you look where the analog hands are right here, where it's lit up green, that's going to be your battery info. You're going to get your step info on one side, date on the other. You come down, you got some animation going on so far as your calories burned and your heart rate information, which I thought was a very nice look, right? But check this out. The watch face is interactive. You tap on this little dot right here, you'll be able to go in and set a favorite. And then you get one more over here, which means you could do the same thing to make the watch face a little bit more convenient on your wrist, right? Now, for me, I like this. Tap, and you can change it to many different colors of your liking, which I thought was nice. You get a few colors in all. What do you think, guys? You like this one? It is free, so you need to download this one before it eventually becomes paid. This one is absolutely awesome. But listen, hit me in the comment section down below because I want to know, are you going to download this watch face or are you going to really leave this one right where it's at? All right, so with that being said, don't forget, hit the like button, smash the notification bell, and subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy life, have some fun, and remember to please be safe.